Hi, I'm Cassie. I'm a first-year master's student at SMU.
Hi everyone, I'm Ashna. I'm a senior biology and computer science student at UT Dallas.
Hi everyone, I'm Arya and I'm a junior in computer science at UT Dallas.
Hi everyone, I am Viraja and I'm a business analytics student at UT Dallas.
Together, we're the CodeMentor team, and we're presenting to you our project, which is called CodeMentor, which is uh, online playground programming environment where you can generate custom programming challenges using natural language.
So the target audience for Code Mentor includes students, educators, schools, and companies. So it offers personalized coding challenges to support students' learning, provides lesson planning tools for educators, and can be used by companies for interview preparation and skill assessment.
All right, so let's jump in and see CodeMentor in action. So let's log in. So for the login, we're using Clerk. And this is our dashboard where we see all the playgrounds that have been created before. So let's try to create a new playground, and we're going to be implementing, or at least we want to learn how to implement a basic HTTP server in C++. So let's paste the description for the language model. Behind the scene, we're using GPT-4, and we specify the language here, which in our case is C++, and we can create a playground. So um, this is our playground. On the side, you can see the challenge description, and on this side, you can see the code that you can run and that you can edit as well. And if there is any like syntax error, like right now, you're also gonna get an error and a description of where the error actually is. The cool thing also is that the state of the playground can be saved with Command or Control C, depending on the computer you're using. And if you step out um, and then come back into the playground, you should see the playground just as you left it. So let's move on to the personal contributions.
So
Ashna?
I worked on designing the Figma prototype and developing several UI components, including experimenting with the dummy playground. I also worked on the run code functionality of the playground using Piston API and integrating the OpenAI LLM. So all these elements underwent numerous changes as we collaborated over the past few weeks. But overall, I learned full stack development and also how to build scalable and efficient AI powered applications from end to end.
Arya, you want to share?
Yeah, I also worked on the Figma prototype for this with Ashna, and I created the first our old dashboard using React, which we later replaced with this new framework. I also learned how to collaborate on GitHub and learned a lot of new terminal commands. I also worked on the new dashboard framework and tried to change colors, which I haven't pushed yet. And I was also working on changing the names of the tags. As you can see on our new dashboard, it has a tag for every language. So, like as you can see, CPP and Python. And I wanted to do different colors on them, which I'm still currently working on.
Raja, you want to share?
I personally learned a lot about full stack development and I learned particularly about the server side rendered React applications and Cloudflare, where I found it is similar to Amazon S3. And I learned a lot about LLM integration and had good experience with the team as well.
All right. So personally, most of my time went into coordinating efforts and also taking into account different experience level and assigning tasks based on those experience personal goals and experience level to maximize the learning experience overall. And the second part of my time went into working on the back end, which is serverless and made of three lambdas or Cloudflare workers in our case here. The database worker, which exposes an API to to communicate with the database of the project. The storage worker, which exposes an API that lets us manage blobs of data, such as source files. And lastly, the WebSocket server, which once a user enters the playground, initiate a WebSocket connection with this server, which allows us to save files as the user edits them. So this is our project, which is once again CodeMentor, and we were very happy to for the opportunity to work on this and see how AI can actually be used in a full stack environment like this one. We're very grateful to the Dallas AI team for allowing this. Thank you very much and out.